Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have another episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, if you know me, you know that I love free-form crafting. That's what I'm all about. However, I have been getting a lot of requests from a lot of my clients who can't have us at a party because of timing or budget or whatever, and they've been asking me to look into some of the kits that you can get from Oriental Trading. Now, Oriental Trading has a lot of great arts and crafts supplies, and so today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at one of their little snowmen, and this is a Snowman Maraca. You can hear it in there, and it's 12 to a pack. And I'm going to take a look at it right now. So let's start by opening our package. Presumably all the parts are inside here. And it looks like we've got the scarf, the maraca, instructions, buttons, a nose, 2 pom-poms for the ear muffins. That would be for the top of the ear muffins, and then I think this is presumably to glue on the ear muffins. So it looks pretty easy. Basically what we do is we take these little double-sided piece of foam here, put one sticker on one side, and one sticker on the other side. Then peel off and place pipe cleaner, and then the muffin top on top, little puffball part. Once again, peel it off, bring over the pipe cleaner, and add the muffin part. There we go. So now he's got a pair of ear muffins, and this is his nose. So peel off the back of the nose, put that in the center, then tie around his scarf. I think for me, I would maybe want to do a different scarf. Maybe a piece of fleece or something like that, or maybe a ribbon, but that works. And then it looks like I've got 3 buttons here. So let's put the buttons on. 1 button. There we go. 3 buttons, and there you go. Your little guy. It's nice so you don't need any hot glue or anything like that, and everything really comes in the kit. You don't need anything other than what you get. So there you have it. A little Snowman Maraca. Now, I have to say, being a person who, really likes kids to be able to get as creative as they can, this is actually not a bad little craft. The price point is pretty good. It's $13.59 for 12 of them, which makes it about $1.15 each. And the quality is pretty solid. So I'm going to say Oriental Trading got this one right. And for a try it, don't buy it, I'm actually going to say try it. Especially with the fact that it kind of looks a little like Olaf. And with Frozen being as huge as it is, I think that this might be a winner. So try it, don't buy it, little snowman from Oriental Trading, Maraca. I say try it. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.